The Auburn 662 was part of Auburn's mid-1930s lineup and represented the company's push to offer stylish, well-built cars at competitive prices during the height of the Great Depression. The historical background. Years produced, 1936. Series positioning. The 66 in the model name referred to Auburn's six-cylinder series, while the 2 indicated a specific body and trim variant within that series. Market strategy. Auburn's management, under the Cord Corporation, tried to broaden its appeal beyond high-end luxury by producing more affordable six-cylinder models alongside its famous supercharged 8-cylinder speedsters. Design influence. The 662 shared much of its styling DNA with the more upscale Auburn 852, including flowing fenders, a tall grille, and streamlined Art Deco details. Dissection specifications. Engine, Lycoming inline-six engine. Displacement, 210 cubic inches, varied slightly with production changes. Horsepower, around 85 horsepower. Transmission, 3-speed manual. Body styles, offered as sedans, coupes, and phaetons, with both standard and custom trims. Chassis, sturdy ladder-type frame with leaf spring suspension. Brakes, mechanical drum brakes on all 4 wheels. Thighway features appeal. More affordable than Auburn's 8 and 12-cylinder models. Elegant coachwork with chrome accents. Comfortable interior with wood grain dash and plush upholstery. Aimed at middle-class buyers who wanted Auburn's prestige without the supercharged price tag. The end of the line. By 1936, despite the beauty and engineering of models like the 662, Auburn sales continued to decline due to the economic downturn and intense competition. Auburn ceased car production in 1937. The 662 became one of the last six-cylinder Auburns ever built. FY collector status today. Surviving Auburn 662s are rare and valuable. Popular in concours events due to their Art Deco styling. Fully restored examples can fetch high five-figure prices depending on body style and originality.